Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about Transferwise, and more specifically, we are going to answer the question, can you deposit cash or currency into your Transferwise account to use in your Transferwise debit card? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, if you're not familiar with Transferwise, it's definitely one of the more popular ways to send money abroad. So if you are like me, once in a while you'll buy things overseas, so you need to transfer US dollars into a different currency. With Transferwise, they make it pretty easy because their fees are pretty transparent. It's a pretty quick process and it just connects to your bank account. So I'm going to go ahead and open the app. It's this looks like blue and then a turquoise colored one. It's called Transferwise. If you don't have this app already, be sure to check my video description. I have a referral link there. If you end up using my referral link, you get a bonus and so do I. So I'm going to go ahead and open the app now. All right, I went ahead and opened the app and this is the home screen. So here on the home screen, you're going to see the various notifications that Transferwise is sending you. You can also see the recent activity that you have on your Transferwise borderless debit MasterCard like I do. But again, what we're going to answer is, can you add cash currency into your borderless debit MasterCard or into your Transferwise account? The short answer is no. No, you cannot. And this is something that I was wondering because they have this borderless debit MasterCard that's attached to your Transferwise account, which is really a neat feature. And basically what this is, just a quick rundown, is you can get this borderless debit MasterCard. You can carry different currencies inside of it. So for example, you can have US dollars, you can have Mexican pesos, you can have euros in it, just a lot of different currencies if you deal with a lot of different currencies. I don't deal with a lot. I've only dealt with about 2 or 3 different currencies, but it's still a nice feature to have, especially if you're going to be traveling or you do travel to a lot of different countries. Instead of having various bank accounts across the world, you can have just one debit card. So that's pretty cool. So what it is I wanted to see if I can hold currencies in Mexican pesos because I go there pretty often. And I also wanted to put US dollars on there as well. So what I did is I went through their app, I looked through all their information, the FAQs that were on there, and I just couldn't find that. If there was an ATM or some sort of location that I can go to and make deposits with my Transferwise account. And since I couldn't find it, I went ahead and emailed over to Transferwise customer service and asked them, is there a location that I can deposit currency into? Because sometimes with my prepaid debit cards, you can go to a specific bank or you can go to like Western Union or 7-Eleven and load cash or deposit money. So I figured with Transferwise you'd be able to do that, but the short answer is no, you can't. Let me switch on over to the response that I received from Transferwise. All right, I went ahead and switched over to the email that I received from Transferwise, and this is the customer service email that I received. It just says, thank you for your email. Unfortunately, we cannot accept cash or check deposits at Transferwise. All money needs to be coming from a bank account. So there you have it. No, as of the recording of this video, which is in December of 2019, they do not have a location that you can deposit checks. You cannot deposit cash into your Transferwise borderless account. Hopefully in the future, they do roll out a feature like that because that would be really convenient and make the card much more appealing. And if you happen to be watching this video in the future and Transferwise does allow you to deposit checks or cash at some location, be sure to leave a comment below, let the rest of us know where that might be. But hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, and I hope to see you on the next one. Thanks again for watching.